Hey everybody, this episode is 713 Garage. We see if Devin will answer the phone. What we're doing today, hopefully getting the fuel cell in, and we're going to have a fuel system that quote-unquote works this time. This is a fuel cell out of a mud truck. It was free, so that stays right on budget with this car. So far, all I've spent on this is the price of some Plasti Dip that we haven't used, so that doesn't count, and a couple of old Krega rims I found in the woods to trade for fart can exhaust. Oh, and a handbrake. That's like $30, so we're doing pretty good. I'm still waiting to hear from Devin. He was supposed to call me and he went dark, so we're gonna see if he shows up today. Hopefully he does, and we can get some more work done on this thing. Kind of forgot to charge the GoPro last night, so this is the situation. Anyway, so first things first, the legs on this tank are way too tall. In fact, I think this tank itself is too tall. But there is some hope. We have a spare wheel in the back. We could take that right out and fit our tank in there maybe, or even the legs. Laziness might win this, so we'll see. Test fit. Kind of fits. I don't know if it would fit with the trunk closed, but it kind of fits. Even that right there might work. Definitely gonna have to make a few modifications, but I think that fits pretty good in there. I don't even know if the feet are touching. I don't know if the feet are not touching. So I think laziness wins. Now that the car is jacked up and blocked, here is what we're doing today. That strap looks pretty ghetto. So what we're doing is find the main hard line that goes into this, and we're just gonna drill a hole up to here and make a connection that goes in there. So yeah, I think that might, I have no clue what this is. That is a piece of plastic. Huh. Weird. There's the exhaust. This thing has a catalytic converter on it. Who would have thunk it? So I'm gonna get working on getting this single strap off. Oh my god. I don't think I'm the first person to work on this car. I think all we need to do... Okay, that just came off. Yeah. Alright, well, before this thing totally comes out, I should probably investigate what holds it in. Scary stuff. So, I have this jack kinda under this tank, so once we pull the strap, see if this thing totally becomes loose or what. Doing some investigating. I don't know if you guys ever seen one of these fancy things. It's one of these caps. You put a keyhole in, so you know no one can break in. No one can break into these. They're really reliable. Buy one, because I mean I don't know if you can see this, but you know, it holds up pretty good. It's that's secure. I did blow up your phone, dude. You're on the episode right now.
What?
You're on camera. You're on the episode.
Oh. Did you start?
A little bit. I haven't really gotten into much. Dude, the gas strap that held on this gas tank, I took off with my hand.
Ooh.
It didn't even
You
fit.
got the fuel cell?
Yeah, I got the fuel cell and I fit it in the car and it fits.
Alright.
I haven't really done jack to it though, so.
I had some, hack stuff to take care of.
Oh, okay.
Wow. So, I don't have anything to do tomorrow now.
Oh, okay.
So we can pretty much stay up as late as long as
Yeah, and I got night
get the car
class.
into the garage, because I know it's going to get fucking cold.
Yeah, we're already kind of in the garage right now, so get your buns over here, son.
Alright. Don't touch nothing.
Alright, I've only done a little bit of work on it and I took it for a joyride down my driveway.
Now you drive. Ooh, I want to drive it.
Well, the gas tank's pretty much out of it, so. So hurry up, dude.
Alright. I'll be there.
Alright, I'll see ya.
Bye.
Bye. We got a hold of Durfee! We did it! Alright, so he didn't want me working on it. He didn't want me working on it at all. So we really didn't get much done. I've only been out here for maybe half an hour. So we're gonna get that thing off. We're gonna wait for Devin. I think I'm gonna take it off before he gets here. He's not gonna know until the episode comes out, so. But yeah, dude, this is. I'm hoping this is gonna be easy. I have a feeling it's gonna be easy, but we'll have to see. I think we need to get a few brass fittings. We might actually have this done tonight. I think that's him right now.
I'll be there in however long it takes to drive down that shitty ass dirt road.
Okay. So that's out. I think there's a plate on the inside. That is all four of those bad babba jammas out of there. Let's see if we can get it up now. Alright, so from the looks of it, after some investigating, I think this just pulls right out. There's like a piece of rope there. Can wiggle around. So I'm thinking once we drop this thing, it should just come right out. Bit of rancid gasoline came out of here. I think there's still some rubber hoses back here. Better take those out first. First one, I don't know exactly what this is, to be honest. Maybe the floater? Part of the floater? Who knows? We'll have to take a closer look. Alright, check it out. Got my dad coming, and that's Devin right behind him. We got some help. We're gonna do some work. Gas tank's pretty much out. Excited.
Yeah, but we catch rubbish. No.
No, make sure this tank doesn't follow.
How about I'll trade you? You're stronger. You're the bigger man. No. Let it come.
Oh no, it's already happening. It's happening!
Fuck. How much gas is it?
Whoa, oh, bad idea. Oh, bad idea. Okay, that wasn't a bad idea.
Okay, we're caught up by a wire or something.
Yeah, no, I got it. The
Yeah.
last one.
We free?
Yeah, we're free.
Oh, that's it?
Pull her.
Pull what?
What do you think?
Here, hold the tank and I'll pull the jack out.
Don't, okay, the holes are like at the bottom of this tank. Down
Oh,
that side.
okay.
Yeah, so let's just throw it.
Oh, wait, the camera stand.
Oh,
Hold it, just hold it for 2 seconds.
I got it.
Okay, we're good. We got plenty of room.
My lovely gas tank pump. Okay, we got gas here.
Set it up on that tire. Grab that
That'll
side.
work.
Grab that side and just angle it on that tire. Why is it shaped like that?
Because it fits around the spare tire.
I'm so fucking stupid.
I didn't design it.
Oh, I know. No, Quinn. I expected you to be live in what year is this thing?
79. You should know that from the video I made. This goes right to the gas line. So
Okay.
we either get a longer gas line or we get a barbed end fit in
Well,
here.
yeah, let's
and
get
we
some
just get an
fittings.
extended one.
Let's get some fittings. Is that where you're drilling that hole?
Oh hell yeah!
Okay.
Just drilling straight through
Well,
here.
there's a rust hole right here that you can use.
That's not rust.
Oh.
That's a plug. So
Oh.
I guess we could just use that right there.
So we need hose and the fitting.
Um,
Can we please make bumpers for this?
the bumpers are kind of growing on me, Devin.
I just want
I'm
like
so disappointed.
I want some ridiculous bumpers. Hey, there's a
Dude,
screw.
I'm gonna tell you right now.
What?
Putting a fucking fart can on this thing is gonna be easy as fuck. You know this thing has a goddamn catalytic converter?
I assume so.
I didn't assume so.
Unless somebody fucked with the exhaust.
You know what? The frame rails and everything in this car actually look kind of solid.
I mean,
The only thing that's bad, seriously, is the driver's and passenger seat. That's the only spot that's bad on this car. Other than that, this whole thing is solid. Yeah, it's just surface under here, dude. This car is actually in decent shape. Oh, well that explains why the exhaust is shed.
bye.
Look it down by the catalytic converter.
Oh, hey, look, it's my Dodge all over again.
Oh no.
Let's go get hose.
I guess we could just get one straight
Let's make a list
line.
of parts and go get what we gotta do.
Well, do you want to get some exhaust pipe?
Fuck yeah.
Oh my god!
What? What size?
Look at the weld under here. I am not the first person to work on this thing. Look at the exhaust weld.
Is it good?
No.
Oh my god. Hey, it is my Dodge all
It
over
looks
again.
like I welded it.
I can't even do that. I suck.
So okay.
Sawzall, take part of the
we
pipe.
need
Take a part
Sawzall
of the pipe
blades.
off.
Sawzall blades.
Oh, you don't have blades? How the fuck
Uh,
we get a measure for the pipe?
I think we do, but not.
Wait.
I probably had one, but we need one more. All we have to do is make one that curves. I think honestly we got a piece that curves already.
Alright, well, let's Sawzall the muffler off.
Actually, might not have to.
Nope, sawing it off.
No, dude.
Nope, sawing it off.
These clamps are good.
Nope, sawing it off.
They're not even rusted.
Fuck you, sawing
They're
it
not
off.
even rusted. Devin, don't make poor choices. We need all the pipe we have. Devin, let's not make poor choices. Devin, let's not make poor choices.
This wood blade's junk.
So do you want to just
Yep,
do what I?
give me a wrench.
Not for the reason air tools. Everyone knows the best exhaust work is only done with clamps.
You want Sawzall?
Okay,
You want Sawzall?
this is alarming.
Want the Sawzall?
Yes, Sawzall.
Oh! In other words, we're not getting the muffler off like a normal human being.
Pull the trigger, son.
Ready?
Yep. God dang it!
Oh, god damn it.
What?
We got an oval from hell.
Oh, okay. I saved you. I saved you. I
Thank
was
you.
gonna let you get squished.
Alright, there's our pipe size. Oh, god.
Hold it so it doesn't hit me in the freaking
Nads. Did it go through?
Yeah.
That was it? There you go. Yay!
So let's pull
Give
that
me 5.
out.
Boop. Alright, let's get the fuck out of here.
I'm gonna tell you right now,
What?
putting a fucking fart can on this thing is gonna be easy as fuck.
Easy as fuck.
Oh, no.
Let's go get hose.